Hello, good morning, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Welcome to the channel, and yet this is another video of mine. People usually keep asking me what's your problem with God, and do you think there is a God? If there is, why do you hate him, or what are your thoughts about God in general? So let me tell you. I follow many of the philosophers, scientists, mostly scientists, and I came to a conclusion that there is no God. I mean, you can say that, you know, Bhagwan means Swami Aniruddhanandacharya said something, Bha for Bhumi, Gha for something, and Va for Vayu, Na for Neer. Matlab, all those five elements. You can't live without God, as in, he gave those elements that God entitlement. Matlab, he in general, like indirectly agreed that these are the five essential elements that you require to survive, and he called them God. That doesn't mean that God is a man sitting above the clouds and testing the fate of humanity or whatever it is for that matter, because these elements, I get it. You see them, you need them, you can't live without them. And what about the actual, like, God, like a person, a deity, somewhere up in the clouds, and what is he good for? And why are all gods male? Although Hinduism, Greek philosophy, Greek mythology, and some other religions have the female gods as well, but they are not given as much as, priority as male gods. They pray to the female gods too, but not as much as they give to the male ones. Let's not drift away from the topic. So, I think there is no God because what are the main qualities of a god you look for in a god? Like, let's just say you are interviewing for the god position, and there is a god vacancy available in your company, and you need a new god. So a guy came up with his resume, or a girl for that matter. And what would you look for in the resume? Has to be very powerful. All powerful and all knowing, should know everything, and should be benevolent, should be kind to all human beings and all living creatures. And these three are like must have criteria. Any one of these fails, and you're not eligible to be a god. And cut it there and apply these to the gods we worship. Is our God all powerful? You may say yes, because He created everything. Everything, as in the mountains, the rivers, the planets, the people, animals, trees, microbes, and whatnot. Okay, let's assume that is all powerful, or it is all powerful. Then is it all knowing? Hmm. And you may say that God knows everything. Everything is written, everything goes as per the God's plan. सब कुछ उसकी मर्जी के हिसाब से होता है. Okay. Is God all good? Hmm. सोचने वाली बात है नहीं. Because बाहर अभी हैदराबाद में मैं रहता हूँ, and it's chaos everywhere. It's almost flooded. And not just that, like, लोग मरते हैं. Murders, नेचुरल कैलामिटीज़, कोई डूब के मरता है, कोई लैंडस्लाइडिंग में मरता है, किसी का भूकंप में घर चला जाता है, आदमी मर जाता है. एंड ये जो लोग इधर जाते हैं ना, किसी भी मतलब पिलग्रिमेज में, वहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड होकर लोग मर जाते हैं. एंड वो सब भी छोड़ो, वो सब तो नेचुरल कैलामिटीज़ है. इट हैज़ टू हैपन, इट्स अ प्रोसेस ऑफ नेचर. बट व्हाट अबाउट मर्डर्स? व्हाट अबाउट थिंग्स लाइक रेप? यू में से कि लड़कियां थोड़े से वैसे कपड़े पहनती हैं दैट मे कॉज, और उसमें लड़की की कोई गलती नहीं है, लेट मी से टेल यू, बट कहने के लिए लोग कहते हैं. एंड व्हाट अबाउट पीपल डूइंग दीज थिंग्स विथ एल्डरली वुमन और जस्ट बोन्स? तब कहाँ गया तुम्हारा भगवान? और यू मे कम अप विथ कॉन्सेप्ट कि ये सब तुम्हारे पिछले जन्म का कर्मा है. एंड व्हाट द फक इज इवन दैट? वो तो बच्चा भी पैदा हुआ ना, राइट? एंड उसके साथ ये करके तुम उसको जस्टिफाई कर रहे हो कि ये तुम्हारा कर्मा है, रादर देन जस्ट ट्राइंग टू स्टॉप इट. मतलब कोई भी कुछ भी करके बोलेगा कि कर्मा है, इट वॉज मेंट टू हैपन. तो वाई इज एनीथिंग अ क्राइम? चोर चोरी करेगा, खून खून ही खून करेगा, राइट? सो अगेन, बैक टू दैट क्वेश्चन, इज गॉड अ गॉड? नो, because if he's all powerful and he's not able to stop anything bad from happening, world hunger, disease. I mean, I don't know who said it, Ricky Gervais, I suppose, and I'm gonna requote it. How dare you to create a virus or a microbe that feeds on eyeball of a just one? How dare you? And even if you are real and you turn out to be real and we meet face to face, you have to beg for my forgiveness. So, those are my thoughts about God. I know this is going to infuriate many people, even my own kind, but those are the facts. And there's a huge reason behind me becoming a believer. Although the decision taken was right, the reason was not, but it made me think logically, and all that in another video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye. Praise the Lord.